Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. Stock number is 18G757A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks, front parking sensors as well as chrome bumper and grille. A look down the passenger side, you do have the blacked out alloy wheels. Those are 22-inch alloy wheels. They are wrapped with Bridgestone dualer tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. The center console folds up and becomes an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side before we swing around to the back end. On the back, you have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Spraying-in bed liner is going to keep that bed very safe for you. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth, full touch screen that includes your stereo, dual climate control, and dual heated seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.